So today I'm getting ready to go on another travel adventure back to Southeast Asia, and I got a new travel bag. As you know, in previous videos, I'm a one-bag traveler. For a long time I've been traveling with the GoRuck 40-liter pack, but now I've got this new one right here, which is the Osprey 40-liter Farpoint, and I just picked it up a little over a week ago for about 150 bucks. And so far I'm pretty happy with it. I've actually kind of walked around with it and got really fitted with it, but I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour of it on what I actually have. Now I have this packed down to about 26 pounds, and that's normally what I like to do. Now on the outside right here, what I like, number one, it has these little cinch straps. You can see right here. So you can really cinch it down. And on the inside, you have this nice area where you can maybe put a water bottle in, or maybe a spare jacket, or an iPad, Kindle, or something like that. Now, this is the highlight of this. I'll move it to the side right here first. This is the actual computer compartment, which is now on the side of it right here. So you can just slip your little laptop in it. I've got a little small little Apple that's very thin, and it fits right in the side there. I don't have it outside. Now the strap system is pretty nice. Okay, you got a nice waist strap right here, which I like, which the GoRuck did not have. And you got a chest strap. But here is another highlight of this pack. Now if you want to cover up these straps, very easy. You can pull this out right here. See how you have it? And especially if you have to put this pack underneath the seat, which I've had to do on a lot of budget airlines, because a lot of times when you're in the last zone and you need to there's no overhead space, so you got to jam it under the seat. No problem, because you can cover up the straps right here, and they won't get caught on anything. And even if you check it in, let's say you got to check the bag in, no problem. And you can cover it up, and this won't get caught on the conveyor. It's got a nice little carry right here. So that is the outside, very nice. And then we're going to do a tour of the inside. Now we're going to do a little bit of a tour on the inside of the pack, kind of show you how I got it arranged. So check this out. Also it has a nice little pouch right on the top here. Before I get into that, you can store, maybe some spare glasses or cords or whatever you may be. So that's kind of neat right there. But on the inside, now I compartmentalize my stuff pretty good. This is everything that I carry, although I don't have my computer out here because I don't want to drag that out right now. But here's what I have, and what I like about it to start is it has these little cinch straps on it, right? This is my clothing bag right here. Inside right here, this is an actual waterproof bag that I picked up in Phuket a little over a year ago when I do the boat trip. So that fits snugly on the bottom. And then my little compression bag right there. And this is nice right here because you can really get it cinched down nice and tight. This is a little rain jacket right here in the event that you run into a rain, which I often do over in Southeast Asia. I just pull this thing out and cover up my backpack and kind of keep it dry a little bit. Or boat trips, either or. Camera bag, jacket, okay. Another small little backpack that I carry for day trips. And then you can cinch it all down right here. A very compact system right there. And on the side right here, you got a little mesh pouch right here. Carry stuff in, just like that. And the zippers are top notch. Get it all set, throw it on my back. I left the tags on here to show you. This is my little passport pouch. I carry all my valuables right on this little pouch right here. I don't actually carry it in the pack. So, take the pack, throw it on your back. Very easy. Take the strap system. The straps are very, very simple to use. And you can really get it nice and cinched here. This is what I love about it, because you know, you want to try to take a lot of the weight off your shoulders and then put them on your hips. So you got this nice little chest strap right there, waist strap. Everything fits comfortable on the side. See how I got this? And then over here, right there, fits really nice. And this is my backpack for my one bag travel back to Southeast Asia here in a few days. And thank you very much for following along. Really appreciate it. And I'll see you later.